Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on zoom to fill screen on your YouTube application. Okay, so I'm just going to open my YouTube application. So you can see this is the YouTube app, and then what you need to do, you need to tap on your EU icon, right bottom corner on your screen. Simply tap on EU, and after that you will get your profile page here. So what you need to do now, you need to screen like a top right corner settings. This are called settings icon. Simply tap on that, and after that tap on the general and scroll down. You can see zoom to full screen. It means always zoom so that videos fill the screen in full screen. So simply tap on that then, and now it's turn it on. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.